Before we even think about touching wax to skin, we must first understand the area we are working with. This is a crucial step for safety. The term bikini wax is often used broadly, but when we are talking about waxing this area at home, we need to be specific. We are focusing on the vulva, which is the external part of the female genitals. Knowing the different parts helps you know which areas are safer for a beginner to wax at home and which areas are best left to a professional. This anatomical knowledge is your first line of defense against mistakes and will help you navigate the process with much more confidence and precision. Let's look at the key areas. The mons pubis is the rounded, fleshy area right above the pubic bone, often covered in a patch of pubic hair. This is generally the easiest and safest place for a beginner to start waxing. Next are the labia majora, which are the outer lips that extend down from the mons pubis. These can also be waxed at home, but they require more care because the skin is looser. The area that we must be very cautious about is the labia minora, the smaller inner lips. For your safety, I strongly advise against waxing the labia minora or any internal areas at home. These areas are extremely sensitive and are best handled by a licensed esthetician. So, for our guide today, we will be focusing on the mons pubis and the labia majora. This is what is often referred to as a standard bikini line wax, or a more extended bikini wax. You can decide how much or how little hair you want to remove from these zones. Some people prefer just to clean up the sides that might be visible outside a swimsuit, while others may choose to remove more hair from the top and the outer labia. The choice is completely yours. The important thing is to create a clear plan before you start, so you know exactly which areas you will be targeting during your session. It's a great idea to use a handheld mirror before you even start the preparation process. Take a moment to get familiar with your own body. Identify the mons pubis and the labia majora. Notice the direction your hair grows in different sections, as this will be very important when we talk about applying and removing the wax. This simple act of observation is incredibly empowering and practical. It transforms the process from a blind task into a calculated and mindful procedure. Respecting your body's anatomy is the foundation of a safe and successful at-home wax.